Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to set the date and time on Skmei 1274. The first step is to put the watch in the normal time mode by pressing the mode button few times until you see the day of the week on the top left screen. Press and hold the reset button for 2 seconds until the seconds start blinking on the screen. Press on the light button to reset the seconds to 0. Press on the start button one time and now use the light button to set the year. Press the start button one time and again use the light button now to set the month. Press the start button again and now you can set the date by pressing the light button. The day of the week will be automatically calculated by the watch. Press the start button one time and now you can set the hour of your local time by pressing the light button. Press the start button again and now use the light button to set the minutes of your local time. Press the start button, then the reset button to exit the settings. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to my channel.